Network Entertainment.
Kapatid, may tanong ako sa'yo and I want you to be honest. When was the last time na na-feel mo na talagang napag-iwanan ka na ng buhay? Yung pakiramdam mo, ang dami mong ginagawa, ang dami mong effort, pero ang bagal ng usad. If that is you, pakinggan mo to. Hindi ka late. Baka may ginagawa lang si Lord sa buhay mo.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there. This is Chingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive Podcast. Sa mga seminars at coaching sessions ko, one questions that comes out very often is, Coach, tagal-tagal na wala pa rin nangyari sa buhay ko. Alam mo, this is what I've observed. Many of them, hindi naman sila tamad, hindi naman sila pabaya. Nag-iipon, nagbabawas ng utang, nag-aaral tungkol sa pera. 'Di ba? Pero, hindi pa rin talaga umuusad. Yung parang feeling nila na napag-iwanan sila. Ang hindi lang siguro nakikita ng karamihan, silence means what? Progress. Oftentimes na we want na instant result, but reality is hindi po ganun ang nangyayari. So just like the Chinese bamboo tree, on the first year, no progress, 'di ba? Second year, walang progress. And then on the third to the fifth year, 'di ba? Bigla na lang, on the third or the fifth year, bigla na lang it will grow up to 90 feet for the next 30 to 60 days. So the question is this, when did the bamboo tree started to grow? Nag-grow siya even from day one. Day one, ang growth niya pababa. Because in order for the bamboo tree to reach 60 to 90 feet, ano mong kailangan niya? It needs to grow to what? Deep roots. Kung hindi siyang deep roots, kung babagyuin 60 to 90 feet, definitely pag may dumaan na bagyo, maa-uproot siya. Ganun din ang katotohanan in real wealth. It's not sprint. Marathon siya. Hindi siya hype, sistema siya. Hindi siya biglaan, disiplina siya. Yan mga tinatawag natin na gusto ng makaramihan overnight success, get rich quick scheme. That's the reason why ang dami pong nabubudol, ang dami pong nai-scam. Kaya kung mabagal ka ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin na nahuhuli ka. Minsan, ang ibig sabihin, you're just learning. You are part of the bamboo tree na parang, growth stage ka pa, but you're growing roots deep. Aaminin ko sa iyo, may season rin na nainip po ko. May mga panahon na iniisip ko bakit ang tagal-tagal. But yun nga, if the way I look at my life right now, the wealth that I produce, it was produced on the last major was the last 15 years. So may mga moments talaga nagtatanong ako bakit ang tagal-tagal. Kaya nga I just want to help you to understand. Isipin mo na lang again, wealth is just like a Chinese bamboo tree. Yung mabilis tumubo, 'di ba? Yung munggo, mabilis pero hindi matibay. Pero yung ikang matagal tumubo, just like the Chinese bamboo tree, malalim. Kaya nga kapatid, hindi ka mabagal sa pag-asenso. Hindi natuto ka naman mag-budget, natuto ka maghintay, natuto ka mag-invest, natuto ka talaga magdisiplina. Hindi pa lang ngayon kasi nagmamature ka pa lang. Kaya ito yung sinasabi kong palagi, huwag mong i-goal na yumaman na mabilis. I-goal mo na yumaman ng pangmatagalan. Make sense? So guys, may kakilala ako na biglang kumita ng malaki. Alam mo yung malaking negosyo, malaking pera, pero imbis na gumanda ang buhay, nasira ang buhay. After a few years, nalugi, walang ipon, walang sistema, balik sa stress. Sabi nga niya sa akin na nagkita kami, Coach, sana pala natuto kong humawak ng pera bago dumating ang biyaya. Well, masakit ang katotohanan, hindi lahat ng blessing ay blessing. Sometimes, it can be a curse. Kaya nga pag pinabayaan mo yung habits mo ngayon, yung pareho pa rin, walang pagbabago sa spending, may utang ka pa rin, same financial mindset, believe me my friend, as you listen to this podcast, after 3 to 5 years, pareho pa rin ang problema mo, pareho pa rin ang stress mo. Pero kung sinimulan mo na ngayon, kahit maliit, di ba? Nagbago ka na, nag-iipon ka na, nagiging responsible ka na, believe me, after 3 to 5 years is ibang buhay, ibang option, ibang peace. So, after this episode, this is my challenge to you. Pag-isipan mo to, kahit 10 minutes lang. Sulat mo, kung mga ng papel, write down, magkano na ipon mo. Kung may utang ka, sulat mo. Magkano na tatabi mo. Diba? Magkano ang plano mong kitain. Hindi naman para ma-stress, para magkaroon ka ng clarity. Promise mo sa sarili mo, no? Do this. Huwag mong sayangin tong pagkakataon na ito. Treat me as your personal coach right now. And I want you to think deeper. If you continue to do what you're doing, what do you think will be the result? What is one bad financial habit that you want to change? And the most important question is this. Are you planning for the future or are you only hoping for the future? Kapatid, hindi ka late, hindi ka talo, hindi ka failure. You're just growing. Again, remember the Chinese bamboo tree. In the future episodes, we'll go deeper pa at mas marami pa tayong pag-uusapan, and then I will teach you on how you can really build a long-term income. So remember, as I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.